This video features SATCO's dual T8 lamp-ready fixture channels. These products offer an economical solution for upgrading traditional lighting to more efficient LED technology, while maintaining the serviceable replacement lamp aspect of traditional lighting. The T8 lamp-ready fixture channels are made of rugged steel with a durable white finish and are available in 2, 3, 4, and 8-foot lengths. These fixtures' traditional footprint eliminate the need to make repairs or patch ceilings when replacing existing lighting. Pre-wired tombstone sockets are included, as well as multiple wiring knockouts located on the sides and the back of the channels for ease of wiring and tandem mounting. New installations and fixture replacements will be effortless. A full suite of accessories is available, including add-on reflectors and protective cages, and a suspension mounting kit. SATCO offers a full line of recommended T8 lamp options to complement the fixture channel installation. Our expansive T8 lamp offering includes dual mode Type A and B for use with ballast or as a ballast bypass, Type B bypass, flicker free Type B ballast bypass, Type C external driver, and our newest feature, CCT selectable Type B ballast bypass. T8 lamp-ready fixture channels, another LED solutions product from SATCO. For more information, go to satco.com.